Ito na ang kantang may kasamang tawanan, The Clones, Ka-Voice of the Stars.
Hatid sa atin ng Zonrox Bleach.
Relax lang kayo and enjoy. Open na ang
The
Clones! Let's go!
Yes! Yes!
Why?
Why do you build me up? Like a baby, just to let me down. Mess me around and then worst of all, you never call baby when you say you will. I love you still, I need you. More than anyone call it, you're all I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart.
Alam niyo, natutuwa ako kinanta niya yan.
Bakit, bossing?
First time yung kinanta yan, di ba?
First time. Ano nga eh, naghanap pa kami ng lyrics para... Oh, wow.
Inabahan pa kami.
Okay! Fire!
Tsaka first time nitugtugin ng Pedro and the Hollow Blocks. Welcome, Dabbercats. The Clones na. Open na.
Ito, kikilala natin ang unang clone na magpapabilib sa atin. Si Teresa Vega ng Zamboanga City. Teresa!
Oy! Como esta, Teresa?
May bien.
Taga saan ka sa Zamboanga?
Sa town proper lang po talaga
Town
kami.
proper?
Malapit sa Rizal Alley po. Doon talaga kami
okay.
nakaano.
Pakilala ka muna ng maayos, tapos kasabihan.
Ako po si Teresa Vega. Pwede niyo po akong tawaging Isa. Ayan.
Ay, Isa.
May kasabihan po tayo. Magdasal po kayo palagi. Walang bayad yon.
Oo.
Pero may sukli.
Ay, may sukli pala.
Totoo naman yun. Ay, ang ganda nun Ganda na pakinggan.
Kaya dasal ng dasal para maraming sukli.
Tsaka magandang isa loob. Sino sa palagay nyo ang kaboses nito, Karen?
City po, Ma'am Alan.
City?
City.
Zamboanga City.
Kasi town
Mengay,
proper.
huy!
Proper.
Ikaw, Raisa.
Parang ano po, Regine Velasquez.
Ay,
Regine.
Oy, parang first time magsa-songbird dito Miles?
Maliit po boses mala Jamie Rivera, mami.
Jamie naman.
Pwede din. Main?
Feeling ko, Ma'am Alan, Star ang ka-voice nito.
Star?
Between Escalante.
Ay. Pwede.
Taray ng boses nun. Jo?
Mamakas.
Pamatas. Ikaw, bossing.
Avril,
Avril.
ang birthday ko.
Malapit na, bossing, malapit na.
Avril 28.
Surprise na lang.
Oo nga. Surprise mo na lang kami. Sorpresa.
Go, ate.
Gulatin mo kami isa.
Nakatawanan mo yung maliit mong bewang. Kaya palma dito yung bewang.
Lucky you're born far away, so we could both make fun of distance. Lucky to love her for and done for, then I can back up your existence. Baby, I was on the undersoul. Check out the freckles on your body. Never could imagine there were only 10 ways to love somebody. Little, 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 can't you sing? I'm at your feet whenever, wherever we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's till my day. You're over, you're under, you'll never have to wonder. We can always play by ear, and that's till my day. Yeah. Lucky that my lips not only mumbles, but pieces like a fountain. Lucky that my breasts are small and humble, so you don't confuse them with mountains. Lucky I have strong legs like my mother, drop a cover when I need it. And the stars are for no other, to take a label by a river. Little, little, at your feet. I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's in my dear. You're over, you're under, I'm on, I hope no wonder. We can always play by ear, and that's in my dear. Yeah. Little, 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 think out loud. Say it again. Tell me one more time that you live lost in my eyes. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be here, and that's that thing, my dear. You're over, you're over, you got me, and all the use there's nothing left to feel if you leave me the way I do. Whenever, forever, we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be here, and that's that thing, my dear. You're over, you're older, you got me, and all the use there's nothing left to feel if you leave me the way I do.
Wow! Shakira naman pala!
Shakira!
Galing ka ba talaga sa Zamboanga ganyan?
Yes po.
Talaga?
Last ano pa po, hindi pa po ako nakaka-uwi nung nag-audition po kami dito.
Kailan ka nag-audition?
March 10.
March 10, ano na ba ngayon? 19?
September na ngayon.
Lumali ba?
Parang yung karaugan ako. Tama ba? Talaga? Tapos hindi ka pa
Yes,
umuwi. Galing.
Ang husay. Pati yung mga ganun-ganun
Oo,
kaya niya.
dali lang. Pa-shout out muna natin yung mga Dabarcats natin sa Zamboanga. In Chabacano, please.
Okay, shout out.
Buenas tardes, vivientes de Zamboanga. Especialmente na di mi pamilya. Buenas tardes.
Especially to my family. Marunong ako mag-Chabacano eh.
Ay, sige nga.
Oo.
Kamalan.
Grande Naris.
Ano yun?
Sabihin mo kung ano.
Malaki ilong.
Sa kanya ka tumingin.
Ano ulit? Grande Naris?
Malaki yung ilong.
Grande.
Mareng.
Bakala. Bakala.
Maricon.
Totoo naman.
Uy, saan sabihan mo siyang Mareng? Alam mo bang kaya niya yung ginawa mo?
Ha? Paano mo nalaman?
Siyempre, nakita namin ni Ana,
Kaya lang,
nagpa-practice ka.
ibang singer,
Sino?
Shakira.
Oh, sige. Ladies and gentlemen, Shakira.
May nginig, oh.
Parang kinukompulsion lang. Ayun na!
Lore, 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 oh. Lore, 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 oh. Can't you see? I'm a judge of free. Whenever, whenever, whenever.
Huwag ka naman mag-headroom kung hindi ka confident.
Natupad na yung wish mo. Natupad na yung wish mo, Mama.
May pa-headroom.
Hedro kasi siya.
Oo nga. O, may request na yung audience natin.
Mama, ano may request?
Ayun po tayo matawag.
Magkaayos lang ako sa galit.
Iyan, tawag. Hindi ka rito, Iyan.
May request ba?
Iyan.
Ayun na, dalawa kayo ni Wally.
Tayo na po kayo. Ano pa pangalan mo?
Rachel po.
Iyan si Ian. Ian si Rachel
Oo, Ma'am
daw.
Rachel.
Rachel si Ian.
Magaang pong loob ko sa inyo. Parang kayo magiging dahilan upang makaahon ako sa kahirapan.
Talaga ba?
Taga saan po kayo, madam?
Taga-Pasig po.
Pasig. Tama lang.
Po yung itsura niya, no? Pwede niyo po akong alipinin, okay lang po. Meron po ba kayong song na gustong maninig from Shakira?
Ano po ito?
Actually, idol ko siya. So, pwede ko request yung Underneath Your Clothes.
Underneath your clothes.
Underneath, check ko lang po. Wala po din. Sige, underneath.
Teresa, underneath your clothes daw. Okay lang ba?
Kaya ba yun?
Yes pa.
Kaya, layo na pinanggalingan. Hello, tapos nabigil pa rito. Sige, go, girl. Teresa Vega.
Your song, written by the hands of God. Don't get me wrong, this might sound to you a bit odd, but you own the place where all my thoughts go hiding. Right under your clothes is where I'll find it. Underneath your clothes, there's an endless story. There's the man I chose. There's my territory and all the things I deserve for being
Pagkatapos sa ungol. Nagustuhan niyo ba, Ian?
Nagustuhan po. Alam niyo ba, Ma'am Alan, kaya din po ni Wally yan.
Totoo?
Oo, mag-Shakira. Wally, go. O, di ka muna dyan.
Underneath your clothes. Underneath your clothes. Halika na rito. Maraming salamat sa pag-request, Rachel.
Okay,
Salamat po.
thanks
Salamat,
Rachel.
sir.
And thank you rin, Teresa. Thank you from Zamboanga. Sunod na Buka muna, girl. Sunod na magpakita ng galing.
Sino yan?
Ikaw magbasa.
Si Rosaline Bausin ng Bacoor, Cavite.
Yeah.
Aso.
Ay,
Dito
iba,
po, dito po.
iba din to. Iba din yung datingan
hello
nito.
po.
Parang mabangis, no?
Yes, oo.
Pakilala ka muna, tsaka kasabihan.
Ako po si Rosalie Bausin. Ayan,
Taga saan?
taga Bacoor, Cavite po, sa Molino.
Kasabihan.
Kasabihan, ang may malinis na kalooban, walang kinakatakutan.
Seryoso naman kasabihan ng dalawa ni contestants. Miles,
Mamay, tagal ko na pong hinahanap si Mystica talaga. Mystica po yan.
pwede.
Pwede,
Main.
pwede. Feeling ko, Ma'am Alan, KZ.
Casey,
Si.
Singing queen, KZ. Tandingan. KZ,
Tandingan. Pwede din. Karen,
Pink po, Ma'am Alan. Pink.
pink. Ikaw, Raisa, red.
Demi Lovato po.
Wow! Bossing,
Hula ko, nagbebenta ng alahas.
Nakita mo, bossing, yung ano niya, pendant ka
hindi
dito.
bossing,
oh.
ano siya, athlete, may gold medal. Jo!
Paos eh.
So,
Ah,
Bonnie Tyler,
Nat
ganun?
King Cole.
ha? Babae siya!
Kanya-kanyang hula yan.
Sa bagay. Malay nga naman natin na King Cole ka. Sige nga, Rosalie Bausin ng Bacoor, Cavite.
Gulatin mo kami.
Aba.
I can't get when I need you, my heart's on fire. You come to me wild and wild. You come to me, give me everything I need. Give me all that on the promises in the world's a dream. Speak the language of love like you know what it means. It can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it stronger. You're simply the best. Oh. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. Anyone I've ever met. Has stuck on the wall. I never want to say what I'm serious about. No. And baby, I would rather be it's how you leave me and I'm losing control. You're walking away with my heart and my soul. I can feel it women when I'm alone. Oh, baby, don't let go. Better than anyone, anyone I've ever been. A second one, I never want to say to somebody, love. And baby, I would rather be there. You're the best.
nga pala sa pagsipa, maliit lang ang studio namin, malapit lang ang audience, baka may tamahaan ka.
At saka ganun pa
Uy!
Ang taas sumipa.
Oo, taas mo sumipa, isa pa nga. At mataas ang heels, bossing.
Ay, Tina Turner.
Isa pa nga. Oo.
Kaya
Lagwas pa.
tiniyan yan eh.
Oo.
Mas mataas.
Patingin yan.
Sige, pakita mo.
At saka yung ganun niya.
Kaya din ni Wally yan.
Siyempre, kaya ko rin yan.
Wow! May request. Bago ang audience, si Joey De Leon muna may request. Proud Mary.
Uy, yun.
Alamang, hindi na request ng audience eh.
Yun di ba request ng audience natin?
Alamang.
Yan din. O sige, mananalo si Joey syempre. Proud Mary! Baka tayo Uy, baka tayo
Sige, sige.
Yung parang may hinahanap tayong dumi.
Look the job in the city. Working for a man every night and day. But I never lost my beat and I'm sleeping. Worry about where things might not be. Big lights keep on turning. Round back keep on burning. And we're rolling, 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 rolling on the river. If you come down to the river, back you're gonna find some people there. You don't have to worry, you're gonna find people on the river. It's again, big drums keep on burning, round Mary keep on burning, everybody. And you're rolling, 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 rolling on the river. And you're rolling, 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 rolling on the river. Toot, 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 toot.
May banda ka ba?
Yes po.
Talaga? Bang banda talaga yung datingan mo
Oo,
eh.
iba yung mga...
Grabe ka mag-perform,
At saka yung
no?
ganun-ganun niya, ganun parang siya naghahanap ng lapid. Ganun.
Ay, parang ano sabi niya? Ano sabi niya?
Sabi parang ganun.
Woot, choo,
Sa Sambadita, dito lang yun eh. Parang ganun. Galing.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rosalie Bausin ng Bacoor, Cavite. Ang grabe ng labanan ngayon Isang Shakira at isang
Tina Turner.
Tina Turner from isang Bacoor, isang Sambuanga. Rizal!
Ma'am Alan Dabricaz, ang mananalalong clone po ngayon ay tatanggap ng 10,000 pesos.
At may 5,000 pesos naman po ang non-winner.
At meron din silang regalo mula sa Zonrox Bleach. Kung detergent lang baka kulang. Kaya sabayan din ng Zonrox Bleach yan. Ang atang linis sa Zonrox.
Sa Grand Finals, naghihintay ang 300,000 pesos.
Magsiset din sila sa clown.
Talaga?
May chance din.
Clowns, may chance.
Natulala si Ala.
Patingin ng lapid na hinahanap pa.
Ganun ka ba magagawa?
Nakita ba dyan? Nakita ba
Pwede
dyan?
naman contact lens eh.
Di ba? O yung kwintas niya.
Oh, natakpan ng mga damo siguro.
Lapid na talaga.
Alamin na natin ang panalong The Clone for today. Ka-Voice of the Stars winner for today is contestant number... Correction, numbers 1 and 2!
Okay. Meron tayong tie. Okay, sarado na po ang clowns, mga kaibigan. Pero ang clowns bukas pa, sayang!
Yeah.